mathematics and science. Dear students, you all know that in yesterday's class, we were discussing the chapter number systems. Now, let's go for continuing this. You also know that in yesterday's class, we got the brief introduction regarding a concept called laws of exponents, right? Just go for recalling the terms that are involved in the number which is to be expressed in the exponential form. If I go for taking the general form of the exponent as x raised to the power n, here x is called the base, n is called the power or index, is it not? And with respect to these types of numbers, we have some laws and we have come across such laws in yesterday's class. Once we shall go for recalling these laws, then afterwards we shall go for we will go for solving the problems on them. The first law, in the first law, you all know that the base will be same, but orders will be different. In this, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n, the base is a, powers are different. Under such condition, we'll just go for adding the powers. It can be written as a raised to the power m plus n. And the second law, it is a raised to the power m by a raised to the power n. Here, one exponential number is divided by another one, in which the bases are same and powers are different. This can be written as a raised to the power m minus n. The third one, it is a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n. And this can be written as it is a raised to the power m into n. Observe, your base is a, power is m as well as n. Under such condition, you can write it as, you can multiply only the powers, that is m and n. Next, one more, it is a into b whole raised to the power m. Here, two different bases are there. Power is same, and this power should be applicable to both. It can be written as a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m. Next, a by b, different bases which are in quotient form. Then whole raised to the power m. Here also, we will go for applying power to the numerator as well as denominator term. It can be written as a raised to the power m by b raised to the power m. And one more, it is a by b whole raised to the power minus 1. If minus 1 is there, to convert this into plus, here power is negative, you are going to convert that into positive. Then we will go for taking the reciprocal of this fraction. Reciprocal of a by b, it will be b by a. Then whole raised to the power 1. If any other number are there, here is 2, then you can write here 2. If it is n, we will write it as n. Again, it can be written further as b raised to the power n by a raised to the power n. Next, one more, it is a raised to the power minus m, minus m, minus x, whatever the power it may be. Here, we have the base and the power is negative. Then it can be converted into positive by taking the reciprocal of a. That is, it will be 1 by a. Power is n. If a raised to the power minus n is there, it can be written as 1 by a raised to the power plus n. Dear students, could you tell what is any number with power 0? What is its value? Very good, very good. It is 1. And generally, it can be written as a raised to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So these were some important laws that we had come across in yesterday's class. Dear students, in today's class, we shall go for solving the problems on these laws. Now, please go for writing the side heading worked examples. Trupti, I think, Trupti, you had written yesterday, no? Had you not written? Then again, I'll repeat. Write the side heading work examples. What examples? Let me go for taking the problems from simple to complex. First, I'll take very simple problems. What examples in that first one? Right. Simplify each of the following. Right. Simplify each of the following. Right. First one. It is 2 raised to the power 2 by 3 into, in place of cross symbol, just I am putting dot. Into 2 raised to the power 1 by 3. Just look at that. Here you can come to know that in the given terms or in the given exponents, the bases are same and the powers are different. We have a law for that. When bases are exponent law for same base, that is a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n, that's equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Very simple way to remember is when the bases are same, add the powers. That's all. Right with me. It is 2 raised to the power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 3. This is the given statement, which is equal to 2 raised to the power. The bases are same, therefore power should be added. The powers are 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Add them. So put plus sign. Then this is equal to 2 raised to the power. Take the LCM and simplify.
Sir, base will be 3, sir.
Sir, 3, sir, base.
3 by 3.
3, sir. 3 by 3.
3, sir. 3 by 3.
Denominator 3, sir. Denominator will be 3.
Enough. Look here. Here the denominator. We have 3 bases are terms are same, so that their LCM will be same. And write the numerators as 2 plus 1. This is applicable when denominator term is same. This is equal to 2 raised to the power. Add them. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 3. It is 2 raised to the power. 3 by 3 is 1. 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. The final answer is 2. Hope you have got the same.
Yes, sir.
Now let me go for taking second one. Right. It is 3 raised to the power 1 by 5 whole raised to the power 4. Please observe the board. Observe the board. Don't go for writing. Renuka my. Look at the one. 3 raised to the power 1 by 5 is of the form a raised to the power m. Then 4 raised to the power 4. It is 4 raised to the power n. And this can be written as a raised to the power m into n. When you get more number of powers, just go for multiplying. Here also we'll do the same. Right? It is 3 raised to the power 1 by 5. 4 raised to the power 4. This is the given statement and is to be written as 3 raised to the power 1 by 5 into 4. So they cannot be cancelled further. Just you may write it as 3 raised to the power. Multiply numerator term. 4 ones are 4. Then by 3. 3 raised to the power 4 by 3. Shall I take up next one? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Let me take third one. Right. It is 7 raised to the power 1 by 5. Whole divided by 7 raised to the power 1 by 3. Just look here. Look at the word. On observing these terms, you can come to know that numerator is of the form a raised to the power m, and denominator, the base is same, that is a raised to the power n. And this can be written as a raised to the power m minus n. Therefore, it is 7 raised to the power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Right? Solution. First write the given statement. This is 7 raised to the power 1 by 5 by 7 raised to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 7 raised to the power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Now let me go for simplifying that here. It is equal to 7 raised to the power. Now observe denominator terms are different. They are also co-prime. 5 and 3 are co-prime. The LCM will be their product. LCM of 5 and 3.
15.
15.
And go for cross multiplying. 3 ones are 3. Here 5 ones are 5. Here it is 3 minus 5. And this is equal to 7 raised to the power 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 15. Got it? Prashast? Okay. Oh, somebody is asking that, sir, write a little bit big numbers. Okay, let me write. 7 raised to the power minus 2 by 15 is there. This is of the form a raised to the power minus n. And this can be written as 1 by a raised to the power plus n. And hence we shall write it is 1 by 7 raised to the power plus 2 by 5.
Two by 15, sir.
Sir, for 1 by for
wait.
that
2
1
by-
it will not
wait.
come, sir. Sir, for the numerator it will not come, sir. Only for the denominator. 2 by 3 it's not. It will not come for the numerator. Yes, sir. Why?
I'll tell you that. Anashil, let me clarify you. You are telling that, sir, sure. Can we take 2 in the numerator? See that here, a raised to the power minus n. It is equal to 1 by a raised to the power plus n. In place of n, what is there?
Minus 2 by 15.
2 by 15 is there. 2 by 15. The same number will also be written here. 2 by 15.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now let me take another one. It is fourth one. Right. Fourth one is 13 raised to the power 1 by 5 into 17 raised to the power 1 by 5. Let's go for finding. First, write the given statement as it is. 13 raised to the power 1 by 5 into 17 raised to the power 1 by 5. Hope that you are copied. Now observe it.
Yes, sir.
Look here, Amulya CK, look at the word. On observing this statement, you can come to know that the bases are different, whereas powers are same. It is in the form a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m. Bases are different, powers are same. And this can be written as a into b, 4 raised to the power m. Similarly, the given statement can be written as multiply the bases. It is 13 into 70, 4 raised to the power 1 by 5. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, copy that. Next, let's go for multiplying this. 13 and 17. 17 threes are. It is 51. 5 is the carry. 17 ones are 70 plus 5.
221.
It is 22.
21.
221 whole raised to the power 1 by 2. Over? Over?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving to the second type question. Second one. Observe. So far, we have solved the problems based on the laws of exponents. Now, we are going to solve the problems based on factorization. You are very familiar with the factorization. It is the method of expressing the given number as the product of its factors. But in this case, here, today, whatever the problems we are going to take, in these problems, that particular number will be expressed as the product of its repeated factors. Like, just let me go for taking one example. Here is 8. This is the given number. Its factorization. Okay. It can be divided by 2. 2 4s are then 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. See, these are the repeated factors. And 2 is repeated by 3 times. It can be written as 2 raised to the power 3. Got it? Now, by taking some examples, you can understand much better. Right. Find the value of each of the following. Find the value of each of the following. In that, first one, 64 raised to the power 1 by 8. 64 raised to the power 1 by 2. Written up. Lakshmi Shri, have you written? Oh, okay, good. See that even this can be written as square root of 64. Its value is 8. But let me go for using the factorization method. Just observe, don't go for copy. 64, 4 raised to the power 1 by 8. You all know that 64, it is a perfect square. And even in yesterday's class, we have practiced the perfect square numbers, squares of the numbers from 1 to 25, even cubes of the numbers from 1 to 10. Hope that you might have remembered. Then 64 is square of which number?
8, sir.
8.
8, sir.
Right.
8.
8 square. 64 is 8 square. 8 8 is 64. Then 4 raised to the power 1 by 2. You may cancel 2 and 2 directly, but if you want to use the law of exponents, a raised to the power m, 4 raised to the power n can be written as a raised to the power m into n. It is 8 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. You will get 8 raised to the power 1. 8 raised to the power 1 is just 8. Is it not simple? Yes or no? Yes, very good, Chandana. Lakshmi. Let's copy the same. Okay. Now let me go for taking second sub question. Here on the right. Hope you have copied. Sanjana SL, have you copied? Say yes or no. Sanjana SL. Okay. Samarth MV. Samarth, be attentive. Your complete concentration should be here, not somewhere else. Okay. Now we are moving to second one. This is also very simple. As I said, first I have been taking simple problems. This is 32 4 raised to the power 1 by 5. Stop writing. Listen to. Dear students, you know that 32 is not a perfect square. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So let us go for finding the factorization of this number. Please don't try. Just observe the book. Here 32 is there. I'll write 32. Can you all see? Can you see this number?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
32.
Yes, sir.
It is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 6. Directly you can write 2, right?
Yes, sir.
2 16s are. Then 2
2
8s
8s
are. 2 4s are. 2
2 2s.
2s are. 2 is repeated by how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 times.
5 times.
5 times.
Which means that 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power 5. Don't copy, just observe. I'll give you time for writing. Here 32, 4 raised to the power 1 by 5 can be written as, in place of 32, I'll write 2 raised to the power 5. 4 raised to the power 1 by 5. This is equal to 2 raised to the power 5 into 1 by 5. Because again it is of the form a raised to the power m, 4 raised to the power n is a raised to the power m into n. Now 5 and 5 get cancelled. This is 2 raised to the power 1 is
2.
Copy this.
So done.
Okay, okay. Ravi Shankar, are you writing? Okay. Have you made an arrangement of study table? Ravi Shankar, have you made an arrangement of study table? I had given you that instruction in the beginning only. So make an arrangement of table and sit in front of that. Place the mobile on the table so that viewing will be good. I think you have placed that mobile on the bed only. Okay. Now let me go for taking another one. This is also very simple. Right, quickly with me. 125 whole raised to the power 1 by 3. 125 whole raised to the power 1 by 3. Students, you know that 125 is a
cube.
Cube. Is
5
it a
cube.
cube? You no need to go for taking the finding the factorization. Directly you can write 125 as, how do you write?
5 cube.
5 cube.
5 cube.
5 cubes.
5 raised to the power 3. 5 cube. Write with me. Write with me. 5 raised to the power 3. 4 raised to the power 1 by. And this is equal to 5 raised to the power 3 into 1 by. Cancel 3 and 3. You will get 5. That is 5 raised to the power 1 is nothing but 5. Next. Fourth one. 9 raised to the power 3 by 2. 9 raised to the power 3 by 2. And this is also very simple. Write with me. 9 raised to the power 3 by 2, which is equal to. Just listen. Dear students, what do you say about 9? Is it a perfect square or perfect
square,
cube?
sir.
Perfect square.
Perfect square.
Perfect.
Abhinandan, you tell. What is the square of which number is 9?
3, sir. 3.
3. Very good. I can write 9 as 3 square. Write with me. 9 as 3 square. Go on writing with me. Then 4 raised to the power 3 by 2. Sanjana, you can copy with me. It is equal to 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 by 2.
2 will
2 and
cancel.
2 get cancelled. You will get 3 raised to the power.
The
What is
answer
the
is
value of
20.
3 raised to the power 3?
27.
27. 27.
Very good. 3 raised to the power 3 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3.
3.
3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 20.
We have.
Another one. This is also very simple. Right. Fifth one. 32 all raised to the power 2 by 5. Copy it. Okay. Now, please answer to my question. I'll give chance to particular students only. First, write this answer. 32 all raised to the power 2 by 5. Sumuk, you tell. How to express 32 in exponential form? That, could you tell?
Sir, 2 raised to the power of 5.
Very good. It is 2 raised to the power 5. Just in the previous problems only we have come across this. 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power 5. Right. 4 raised to the power
2 by 5.
And this is equal
2 raised to the power of 5 into 2 by 5.
Yes. 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 by 5.
5 get cancelled.
5 and 5 get cancelled.
2 raised to the power of 2.
2 raised to the power 2.
4.
4. That's all. Very good. If it is completed, now you write the sixth one. It is 16 raised to the power 3 by 4. And this time, I expect a response from Shreya. Shreya, could you tell how to write 16?
Sir, 4 square.
4 square is there, but in denominator 4 is there.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Then how
I'll
can it be
say.
written in exponential form other than 4 square?
Sir, I'll say, sir.
Wait,
Okay.
let her try. Wait. Manasa, will you tell? Arushi?
Sir,
Sir, it can be written at 2 to the power of 4.
Yes. 2 raised to the power 4, not 2 to the power of 4.
2 raised to the power of
2
4.
raised to the power 4. That's all.
2 raised to the power 4. Yes, sir.
2 raised to the power 4. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ 4 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ you can write it in the working part. 16 is there. It is 2 8s up, then 2 4s up, 2 2s up, 1 2 3 4. 16 is written as 2 raised to the power 4, 4 raised to the power 3 by 4. Next, 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 by 4. 4 and 4 get cancelled. It is
8.
2. Wait. Don't tell. Give chance. Yes, Shreya D. Tell the value. 2Q. 2Q value. 2 into 2 into 2. How much?
Sir, 8.
8. Very good. Right. Copy this. Ananya, are you following? Understanding? Okay, good. Next, 7. Right. It is 1 by 3 raised to the power 3. 4 raised to the power 7. This is right. Answer this. 1 by 3 raised to the power 3, 4 raised to the power 7. This is also shown A by B, 4 raised to the power M. It is A raised to the power M by B raised to the power M. So apply power 7 to both numerator and denominator. Right. It is 1 raised to the power 7 by 3 raised to the power 3, 4 raised to the power 7. This is equal to 1 raised to the power 7. Akshay.
1.
Akshay.
1.
I'm not able to see you.
Sir, camera is not there.
1 raised to the power 7 is just 1 only. 3 raised to the power 3, 4 raised to the power 7. See? It is 3 into 7, 21.
3 raised to the power 21.
Write it directly like this. Just put star. This is 8 1.
Sir?
Even
Sir,
in the
the
exam.
7 and 7 get cancelled, sir.
Abhinandan, I think you are telling about this and this. 7 and 7.
Yes, sir.
They are in power. They are in the place of index. Cannot be cancelled. Just we are applying. If it is just 7 by 7, you can cancel. But these two 7s are power of 1 and power of 3 raised to the power 3. Next one.
Sir, we can keep the answer 3 power 21 raised to the power 63.
As it is done. This much also.
Sir, in numerator, we can write 1 power 7 in answer.
1 power, right? 1 raised to the power 7 is, its value is 1. Right? 27 square. All raised to the power 3. 4 raised to the power 0. All raised to the power 5 by 3.
Sir, answer 1.
Who said Coulomb?
Yes, sir.
Is it Coulomb?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So answer is 5 by 3.
Answer is 5 by 3.
1, sir, 1.
1.
Answer is 5.
Wait. Mohita, what do you say?
Sir. Sir.
1.
Are you in the classroom?
Sir, answer 1.
Ketan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, could you tell this?
Sir, 27 raised to the 7.
Ketan SR.
Yes, sir.
What may be the value of this? Ketan SR.
I am doing, sir.
Okay. Rutushri.
Sir, 10. Yes, sir.
How much? Fahim.
Sir, 1.
Sir, 1 raised to 5 by 3. 1 raised to 5 by 3.
I'll tell you that. Observe. Look at the book. Here it is 27 raised to the power 2, 4 raised to the power 3, 4 raised to the power 0, and finally 4 raised to the power 5 by 3. Dear students, you all know that if a raised to the power m, 4 raised to the power m is there, we write it as a raised to the power mn. Still, 4 raised to the power x is there, we will write a raised to the power m into n into x. If 4 raised to the power y is there, we write a raised to the power m into n into x into y. Chaitanya sir, you are not concentrating. You are looking somewhere else. So, according to this, we can write the given statement. I'm writing it directly like this. 27 square is there into 3, or I'll put bracket, into 0 into 5 by 8. You may go for multiplying this. 2 3s are 6. 6 zeros are 0. 0 into 5 by 3 is 0.
0.
When any number is multiplied by 0, we will get 0
0.
as the product. You can write it as 27 raised to the power 0.
1.
Is anything raised to the power 0?
1.
One.
One.
One, sir.
One.
One.
Have you copied? Now. Now we are moving to the next part of this chapter. That is laws of real numbers. Particularly, we focus on laws of irrational numbers. Let me go for giving you these laws. Right side. Laws of irrational numbers. That is QDAT. Look at them. Look at them. Let me tell you, first one, Abhinandan should observe the board. Don't copy anything. Here, I'll go for taking an irrational number, that is square root of A. Another irrational number, it is square root of B. See that here, order is same. Order is 2. Here also, order is 2. And this can be written as square root of A into B. When the orders are same, you can multiply the radicand. Even if it is in product form, that is square root of A into B, this can be written as root A into root B. Remember this. Similarly, second one, suppose square root of A is there by square root of B. See that order is same. Rutushri, don't try. I'll give you time. First, you just look at the board. This is equal. Here, as the order is same, we can write square root of A by B. It can also be written in commutative form as square root of A by B is equal to square root of A by square root of B. Got it? I'll give you two more. Please copy.
Yes, sir.
Copy these two. If any unwanted sound is coming from your home, please mute. It will be disturbance for all the students. So if any unwanted sound is coming from your home, please mute. Okay.
Dear students, I am requesting you all, listen carefully. When Raju sir asks a question, on that time only you unmute your audio. Okay. Afterwards, please mute your audio. Sir, continue, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Look at it. Now, let me write third one. And please go on writing with me also. Suppose young rule in that young rule in that big rule X is there. See that two roots are inside another rule. This can be written as, observe the order. Here is 3, here is N, here is P. Then you will go for multiplying. That is, I'll use more space. This is m into n into p. Here, m n p is equal to m n p x. Now, fourth law is if n root of a is there, it can be written in index form or exponential form. Could you tell? I can expect from Sarthak, Sanvi, Gaurav S. Any of these three can respond for this. How do you express this in exponential form? Okay. Great. Nalpet, will you try?
Sir, can I?
Rohan?
Sir, n to the power of 8.
Wait. Dhruti, will you try? Observe.
Sir, 8 to the power of n.
Wait.
N raised to the power of 8.
We solved some problems based on law of exponents. In that, one problem was like 64 raised to the power 1 by 2. Prithviraj, sit properly.
Sir, prime factorization.
64 raised to the power 1 by 2, you got its value as 8. And we also know square root of 64 is
8.
If both the values are equal to 8, are these two equal? That is square root of 64. Can it be written as 64 raised to the power 1 by 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Got it?
Yes, sir.
The order of this third is 2. 2th root 64. That is 64 raised to the power 1 by 2. If cube root of 64 is there, we write it as 64 raised to the power 1 by 3. Similarly, if nth root of a is there,
A raised to the power
A
by
raised to
n.
the power of n.
a
1 by n.
1 by n. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Copy. Now, let's go for solving some problems on B. Right. What examples? First one. Right. Simplify. Just write this much, okay? It is. All right. Square root of 12 into square root of 3. Order is same. Is it not?
It's same, sir, order.
Order is same. You can write first given statement as it is. Root 12 into root 3. This is equal. Observe. We are in the form root a into root b. This is equal to square root of ab. All right. This is square root of 12 into 3.
36.
Is equal to square root of. You all know that 12 3s are
Square root of 36.
36.
Square root of 36 is
6.
6.
That's all. Such a simple one. Over? Okay. Gaurav?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sai Gaurav? Sai Gaurav? Ananya SN, have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me go for giving you. Right. Second one is, this is also very simple. Square root of 27 by square root of 3. Square root of 27 by square root of 3.
Answer 3, sir.
Amok, will you try? It's very simple. See, square root of 27 by square root of 3 is of the form root A by root B. Amok, you are not listening.
Yes, sir.
This is equal to square root of A by B. Now, this can be written as
Square root of 27 by
27 square root of 3.
The answer is 3.
Sir, we can cancel.
9.
This is equal to square root of 9.
3.
Square root of 9 is 3.
3.
The total value is 3.
3.
Copied? Prajwal SM, have you copied? Okay, good. Now I'll go for next one. Next one is, it is interesting. It can be solved in 2 different ways and it was given in the examination. Right. So double star mark. Square root of. Square root of. 6. Square root of 625.
Answer is 5, sir.
Very simple. Let me explain that. Chetan SR. Chetan SR. Chetan, you are not attending in the class yet. No need to touch the mobile. Just observe. Place it at one side with a comfortable distance and observe the class properly. Okay. It is square root of 625.
25 squares.
Here we have 2 roots. Of course, we can go for using.
Sir, answer is 5.
5. 5, sir.
Right? Look at them.
5, sir.
In this one. And you can go for multiplying the orders. But here, the order of both the root is same. Hence, let us go for simplifying by removing the root 1 by 1. You are very familiar with the number 625, which is a perfect square. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
I'll write the first root as it is. I take only this much. What is the value of square root of 625?
25.
25.
25. 25.
Square root of now we got root 25. What is square root of 25?
5.
5.
5. Answer is 5.
Value of square root of 625 is 5.
Right.
I'll give you 10.
Sir, it was given in the weekly test.
Yes, yes. It was given in the worksheet also. Look here. Square root of, go on writing it. Square root of 256. Square root of 256.
Sir, answer 2, sir.
Answer?
2.
Oh, good. Freya, have you solved? Your brother is disturbing you.
Yes, sir.
Shubhan.
Sir, answer is 2.
Sir.
Answer is 2. Look here. I'll explain that. Here, given number is square root of 256. There are 3 roots. I go for writing 2 roots as it is, and I take the value of this. Square root of 256.
60.
60.
Remove next root. Square root of root 16.
4.
4. Last root is there. Square root of 4.
2.
2.
That's all.
2.
Next, fourth one. Right. It is.
Fifth
Sir,
one.
fifth one, sir.
Fifth one.
That is, sir.
Fifth one. Cube root of 2 into cube root of 32. It should be solved. Right with me. Cube root of 2 into.
Sir, answer 4, sir. Answer 4.
Fahim. What idiot fellow you are. Order is same. Right. Cube root of 2 into 30. This is equal to cube root of 32 2s are 64. What do you say about 64?
4.
Perfect answer, sir.
Perfect.
4.
Cube root of 64 is 4. You can write it directly.
Yes, sir.
Next. Sixth one. This is 4th root of 1008 by 63. You have to find out its solution. It was given in the examination also. You can put double star mark for this.
Answer 2, sir.
Very good. Very good. Prashast, have you got the answer? Have you got the answer? Very good. Very good. How much?
Sir, 2.
2. Very good. You are right. It is very simple. You cannot remove 1008 from 4th root, even 63 also. But we have a possibility of cancellation because both are divisible by 3. Here I'll write 4th root of 1008 by 63. It is equal to 4th root of, you can cancel it by 3. 3 2s are 3 1s are. Even this also. 3 3s are 9. 1 will remain, it becomes 10. 3 3s are 9. 1 will remain, it becomes 18. 3 6 are. Again, it is divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 1s are 2s are. Next, fourth root of, you can cancel it. 7 ones are 7 ones are 4 will remain 42. Now it is 16. Now 16 can be written like this. 2 8s are 2, 4 are 2, 2s are. That is 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4. It is equal to 4th root of 2 raised to the power 4. Now 4th root and 4 get cancelled. Power 4 get cancelled. Remaining, this is 2. Over. Yes. Good, good, good. Now, I go for taking second time. Right. Second one, put double star. Put double star one. And it was given in the examination for 1 mark. Find the value of. Find the value of. In that, there are 2 sub questions. I'll give you one by one. First one. It is cube root of 216 minus cube root of 125. You can tell its answer directly.
1, sir.
1. Very good.
1.
Observe. You all know that cube root of 216. 216 is a perfect cube.
6.
Cube root of 216 is minus
5.
cube root of 125.
5.
Your 125 is also
5.
Perfect square. Cube.
Minus 5. This
1.
is 1. In that, second sub question is important. Was given in the examination. So put 3 star mark. It is 81 whole raised to the power 0.16 into 81 whole raised to the power 0.09. And try to solve and tell the answer. Shifa, try your best. I'll give you exactly
18 raised to the power 0.25. 81 raised to the power 0.25.
I want final answer. Just I'll give you 15 seconds. Solve within that and tell the answer.
Sir, 81 raised to the 0.25.
81 raised to 0.25.
See, wait. Arushi,
81 raised to.
Azad should not speak. First listen to me. Abhinandan, shut your mouth. My question is very simple. I want final answer. If you have got, tell the final answer.
Sir, 81 power 0.01444.
I am asking you final answer. That final answer is a whole number. I want that whole number. Which is that whole number?
Sir, 3 raised to the power 5.
No. Prashast, have you got?
Sir,
Have you
9
got the
raised to the
answer?
0.25. Sir, 3 to the power 0.25.
I'm telling you that it's a whole.
Sir, 9.
3, sir.
So 3.
3.
Yes.
3.
Who is telling?
Aditya.
Aditya.
Yes, sir.
If you have got 3, it is right. Shreyas Kulambi, have you got?
Sir, I got 3 raised to the power 5. Sir.
Manya, have you got the answer? No. Kirtan Raj, have you got?
No, sir.
Yes or no? Okay, okay. Now let me. Sanjita HS, have you got the answer? Just to show the symbol. If you have got, yes. If not, no. Ritika, Sanjana Ji, have you tried? Have you got? No. Okay, okay. Let it. Nothing to worry. Samarth MV. Very good. Inverted thumb. Dutch. No. Manasayal. No. Okay, 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 okay. When many are telling no, I'll explain. But one student has already told answer will be 3. That is right. Now, please don't go for writing. Observe the board. Just observe the board. Dear students, on observing the statement, you can come to know that here the bases are same, powers are different. Hence, powers can be added. Let us use that. 81. Don't write. Please don't write. 81 whole raised to the power 0.16 plus 0.09. Now, this is equal to 81 whole raised to the power. Here 0.16 plus 0.09. When you go for adding them, you get 0.25. Now, but we do not know how to find out the value for this. So what I'll do is, let me convert this 0.25 into fraction. Shreya, are you writing?
1 by
Shreya D.
4.
25 by 100.
Don't write. Please don't write. I'll give you time for writing. Just look at the board. This is equal to 81 whole raised to the power 0.25 is there. I can write
1 by 4.
5 by 100. Then this is equal to 81 whole raised to the power 25 by 100
1
is
by
there.
4. 1 by 4.
4. It is 1 by 4. Now 81, I'll find out the factorization. It is 3, 2s are 7, sir.
3 to the power 4.
9, 3, 3, sir. 81 can be written as 3 raised to the power 4. Now 4 raised to the power 1 by 4. Now 4 and 4 get cancelled. You will get 3 raised to the power 1. 3 raised to the power 1 is nothing but 3. Have you got it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now please
Yes, sir.
go for copying this. It is important one was given in the examination.
Don't drop, sir.
I won't drop. I know that. Prithviraj is writing. First you have added the powers. You got 0.25. You have written this in fraction. Then you have cancelled. Then you have expressed 81 in exponential form. 4 and 4 cancelled. Then finally, you have got the final answer as 3. Now, shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wait, sir.
Okay. Ananya, have you copied? Then Mohita VG. Ekta? Yes, okay. Next one is also very important and is also very nice. Right, third one. Prove that in that first put double sum. One mark put it. Prove that it is x raised to the power a minus b whole raised to the power a plus b into x raised to the power b minus c whole raised to the power b plus c into x raised to the power c minus a whole raised to the power c plus a, that is equal to 1. This is the statement to be proved. Very simple. Copied?
Cancel.
Not answer.
Cancel. Cancel.
Cancel. Oh, cancel. Observe.
Minus plus cancel.
Minus plus cancel. Very good. Very good point. Please observe the board. That is not the way to solve. Ananya, have you not yet copied? Should go on writing with me. Okay. Shreyas, have you copied? Okay, okay. Kaula Singh.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dear students, here we are going to prove the statement. Hence, we have to write proof. If we are going to solve the problem, we used to write solution. If we are going to write the answer, then we used to write answer. So, write proof. Proof. Let me tell you the meaning of this. When you go for simplify this LHS part, then you will get RHS, that is 1. Shreyas. You tell, what is the full form of LHS?
Left hand side.
Left hand side. Left hand side.
Only one face is there.
Left hand side.
It is left hand side. I go for writing left hand side first. Write with me. Left hand side, that is LHS, is equal to. Please go on writing with me. It is x raised to the power a minus b, o raised to the power a plus b into x raised to the power b minus c, o raised to the power b plus c into x raised to the power c minus a, o raised to the power c plus a. Have you written? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Look at it. Just you can show the symbol like this so that I can move ahead. Okay. Now observe this part. Only here 3 terms are there. I am taking only one part. Shreyas, could you tell in which form it is? X raised to the power a raised to the power b, o raised to the power a plus b.
Sir, shall I?
Sir, shall I, sir?
Wait. Aditya?
Sir, a power m whole to the power n.
Very good. It is a raised to the power m, o raised to the power n. This can be written as a raised to the power m into n. So each term is of the same form. Let us go for writing in that way. Go on copying with me. X raised to the power a minus b, o raised to the power a.
Sir, and it is in the form a square minus b square.
X raised to the power a minus b into a plus b. Next, into second term is also of the same form, right? X raised to the power b minus c into b plus c. Next, x raised to the power c minus a into c plus a. What? Now observe. Observe. Shreyas, you are thinking something else holding like this. I don't know. You are in deep thinking. Be attentive, be steady. Shreyas, you only tell. Observe only the power. Could you tell in which form it is?
A square.
A square minus B square.
A
It
square
is in the form
minus B
of an
square.
identity that is a plus b into a minus b. Shreyas, how to write a plus b into a minus b? Shreyas. Yashas and Yatin. Sorry, Yatin and Yashwant. How to write a plus b into a minus b?
A square minus B square.
A square minus b square. So, go on writing it. X raised to the power a square minus b square into. Similarly, it is also of the same form, a plus b into a minus b. And this can be written as b square minus c square. Right? X raised to the power b square minus c square into. Next, third one. C plus a into c minus a is there. This can be written as c square minus a square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
why we couldn't cancel it, sir?
Yes?
Why we couldn't cancel it, sir? There only.
We cannot cancel them directly because they are not together. If it is a square plus b square minus b square plus a square, you can cancel like this. But see, these are in separated terms. A square b square is there here. B square c square is there here. Now let us write them together. Look at them. Here bases are same. We all know that when the bases are same, null page, observe. When the bases are same, powers can be added. Let us write using the first law of exponent. X raised to the power a square minus b square plus second power plus b square minus c square. Go on writing with me. Plus third power, it is c square minus a square. ಈಗ ನೀವು cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Minus a square plus a square. Minus b square plus b square. Minus c square plus c square. Now this is equal to yellow cancel. When all are cancelled, you will get 0.
1.
X raised to the power 0.
1.
Here are right.
1.
This is equal to 1. Well, 1 is in RHS side. It is RHS. Right. LHS equal to RHS. Hence, it is true. That is, given statement is true. Over. Have you finished? Did you understand?
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Sir, we can cancel directly in con.
You directly cancel madak barala, cancel madidre, we won't consider the marks. Like if the product formally there, you minus b plus b cancel madak agala. And see that here we have used the identity. Sorry, we have used the law of exponent. A raised to the power m, O raised to the power m. Next step, we have used the identity. A plus b into a minus. Next step, again we have used last exponent, that is a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n equal to a raised to the power m plus. Then this step on matra you cancel ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Here you can't. Here and also here. You allow in between cancel anywhere else and write the final answer. That will not be accepted. Remember, these steps are must. Now we are moving to another one. Another one, you try madi. I'll give you. Second one.
Yes, sir.
Is also very important. This is 2 raised to the power a by 2 raised to the power b whole raised to the power a plus into 2 raised to the power b by 2 raised to the power c whole raised to the power b plus c into 2 raised to the power c by 2 raised to the power a whole raised to the power c plus a, which is equal to 1. Listen to me. Listen to me. Shreya, Amulya, just listen. It is also just like previous one, but only one step should be increased. Ravi Shankar should observe the book. Ketan, you are looking good. Look at the book. Observe. Here, first we'll go for writing LHS part as it is. Then, okay. Observe the terms inside the bracket. 2 raised to the power a, here 2 raised to the power b is there. It is of the form a raised to the power m by a raised to the power n. It is a raised to the power m minus. This will be 2 raised to the power a minus. Clear? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
2 raised to the power a minus. 4 raised to the power a minus. Next, here 2 raised to the power b minus. 4 raised to the power 2 raised to the power c minus a. 4 raised to the power c plus a. Hope that you have got the hint.
Yes, sir.
Understood the hint I have given?
Sir,
Yes,
explain
sir.
1 second, please.
Ignore it. You got 2 raised to the power a by 2 raised to the power b there. This now 2 raised to the power a minus b anta baritive. Got it? But in 2 raised to the power a whole raised to the power 2 raised to the power a by 2 raised to the power b whole raised to the power a plus b. This is whole raised to the power a plus b. Nothing. This is a plus b into a minus. Simplify. Can you all?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Salik, Muhammad Salik.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand the hint what I
Yes,
given?
sir.
Okay, very good. Lakshmi Sri.
Yes, sir, I understood.
Good girl, always. Dhruti. Good. Lavanya, I think she is already following.
Sir, over.
Please go for trying yourself. Now it
Over.
is time up. I'm going to conclude the class. Lavanya, stop writing and observe here. Prithviraj, sit properly. And today also in worksheet some important questions will be given. Please go for solving them yourself. You should go for trying them till you complete them. And don't go for asking me, sir, I do not know first one, second one, third one. Don't message me like that. First you try your best till 7 or 7:30. In spite if you do not get, then you can call me. You can call me to get clarification about your doubt. Prithviraj, the idiot fellow, sit properly. You're not listening. Repeatedly, I've been telling, today's worksheet questions are also very important. Please work out them as best as possible. And what are the problems we have solved today? And you have to work out them minimum 2 times. Minimum 2 times. And tomorrow probably we may finish off this chapter. By tomorrow we may finish off. If it is over, then next day onwards we will focus on science. That is first chapter in science. That it is motion will be started. Okay. With this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.